Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to make your fingerprint scanner on your Note 10 or your Note 10 Plus to read faster. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to your setting, and then right here you want to go to your display. You want to go and then scroll down and make sure you turn on your touch sensitivity right here and then enable that. Okay, and then after that you want to go and then test out your fingerprint scanner, see if read faster. And then second step is to go to your setting and then biometric and security again. Right here, you want to go ahead and set up more fingerprints. If you set up one already on your thumb, you want to go ahead and then redo that again. So if you have a PIN number, security code, or swipe pattern, you want to go ahead and enter it. And then right here, you're gonna go ahead and click on Add Fingerprint. And then press OK. So I'm gonna add, you wanna go ahead and add at least 3 on your same finger. So you gotta make sure you cover the entire sensor, because if the light shine at it, it's not gonna read it correctly. That's why you want to set it at least 3. Continue. So now it's required to read the edge of your thumb. So you're gonna click on one more. So this is the third time I'm gonna add the same fingerprint. So I say I want to change your position. Make sure you tell you to lift it before you lift it. Then continue. Going to do in the edge again. Alright. And then click on done. And then that should read your fingerprint faster. Alright, so now you're gonna go back. So under the same section right here, under biometric and then security, you want to go and then click on biometric preference. Sometimes if you disable this screen transition effect, you will read your fingerprint faster. So if it's enabled like that, you want to go ahead and then disable that. And then the next step is to make sure you have a biometric security patch. It is updated. So mine is already updated to the latest version and installed already. So I'm just gonna click on OK. Okay, the last step is a step-by-step instruction. You need to follow it correctly. I'm gonna exit out all the way. So you wanna go to your setting. You're gonna scroll down to the apps. Once you click on the apps, on the right-hand, upper right-hand corner right here, you got the 3 dots. You're gonna click on that. Be sure to click on Show System Apps. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down. You're going to look for com.samsung Android and then biometric. So now you see COM right there. So this is in alphabetical order. So right here, Samsung right here. And then right here, you're gonna click on battery. And then you will go ahead and click on optimize battery usage. And right here on the top, you see a drop-down menu right there. Be sure to click on all. And then now we're gonna search that CRM.Samsung Android biometric again. Right here. Be sure to disable that. Okay? If it's blue, you're gonna click on it and then disable it. And then now we're going to restart by turning off your phone and restart. I'm gonna drop it down and then click on this power button right there. You can either shut it off or restart. I'm gonna restart it. And then just let it reboot. Every time when you reboot your phone, you'll need to enter your PIN or your swipe pattern to unlock your phone. And then after that, it's gonna read your fingerprint. Try to lock it up. So be sure you got it placed at the right location. Okay. If that still doesn't work, your last resolution is to go to your setting. And then you want to go ahead and scroll down to device care right here. You're going to go ahead and click on memory. And be sure to click on clean now. So that should clean out all your junk so it won't slow down your phone. And then will read your fingerprint faster, right? So that's all the step. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for a notification, or drop any comments on below. Let me know which step works for you guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.